Hi guys, welcome to Kobe. Today we are going to create a simple blog website in just 10 minutes. So first, let's take a look at the blog site we are going to make. So this is how our blog will look. So let's get started. To make it easy for you to understand, we are going to make our blog site in 4 parts. Part 1 is launching a website on a hosting and a domain. Part 2 is installing a sample blog website. Part 3, adding posts and categorizing them. Part 4, changing the look of our website. Part 1 is to launch a website on hosting and domain. We have already made a simple tutorial on how to purchase a hosting and domain for your website and install WordPress on it. So you can go to the link in the description box below and watch that video. Instead of building a blog website from scratch, we are going to install a demo blog website from a WordPress plugin named Starter Templates, and then we will be customizing that website according to our needs. So now let's move to our WordPress dashboard. You can visit the dashboard by adding /login at the end of your website address. So this is our dashboard, and from here you can control each and every element of your website. Let us see how our current website looks. Go here and click on visit site. Now let's install a demo blog website. For this, we will be installing the Starter Templates plugin as we discussed before. So to install the plugin, go to a dashboard. Now on this left hand menu, click on plugins and then click on add new, and in the search bar search Starter Templates. This is the Starter Templates plugin. So to install this, click on the install button beside it, and once the installation is done, click on activate to activate the plugin. Now our plugin is installed. So let us select a template for our blog website. So for that, you can either directly click on C library to access the templates library, or you can go to the left hand menu, click on appearance and then click on starter templates. Now on this screen, select the Elementor website builder. You can now see hundreds of free website templates of multiple categories. It also has some premium templates which comes with some additional features. For now, we will be using the free templates. So in the filter section, add the free filter and then the block filter. Now select a template you like and click on import complete site. The best part about this plugin is that it automatically installs and sets up the required plugins for your website to function properly. Now, once the import is done, click on visit site and see how your website looks. Now we have a sample blog website ready. Let's move to part 3 of building a blog website, that is adding posts for our visitors to read. Now, as you can see, these are some sample blogs on our website. We will now remove these posts and add posts of our own. To remove these sample posts, go back to your dashboard and on the left hand menu, click on the Post tab. What you see in front of you is a list of sample posts of our website. To delete them, click here, select all, then go here and select Move to Trash and click on Apply. Now all our sample posts are removed. Now that you have removed all the sample posts, let us add posts of our own. To add your own blog post, click on Add New. Now add the title of your blog and paste your content here. Once you have added the content, let us add a featured image. A featured image is an image that looks upon your website like this. It's like a thumbnail for your blog post. To set a featured image, scroll down, click on the featured image and click here. Now upload your featured image. You can see your featured image has been set. Click on Publish and refresh your blog page. As you can see, a blog has been added to our website. Now the user can click on the blog post and visit our post to read more about it. Now you can add unlimited such posts to our website in the same way. Now let's categorize our blog post. To add categories, go back to your dashboard. Under the post section, click on the categories. Now here you can see a list of sample categories. Select all and move to Thrash. Now let's add a new category named Gaming. For this, go to the Add Category subheading, enter the required details, and click on Add Category. In the same way, you can add multiple other categories. Now, to add blog to this category, go back to All Posts, click on the Quick Edit, and here select the category you want to add and click on Update. This way, you can add multiple other posts and categorize them, which makes it easier for users to read what interests them the most. Now, our blog posts are ready, so let us move to the last part of our build, that is part 4, changing the look of our website. Now, if you want to edit the homepage of your website, go to your website's homepage and click on Edit with Elementor. Now, this is the Elementor website builder. Say if you want to edit this text over here. For that, click on this text, select the text, and add whatever you want to add. Now say if you want to edit the text on this button, click on the button and enter the text you want to show. Now if you want to edit the image in the background, click on this hamburger icon, go to the style section, and over here select the image you want to upload. Click on Insert Media, and as you can see, the image has been changed. Scroll down. If you want to edit this image, you can do the same from here. This goes through the entire page. So now you know how to edit pages on your website. Once you're done with your changes, click on Update. Now you can click on Preview Changes icon and see how your website looks. You can see the product we added. You can add more such products